I really like is that you get this beautiful cool breeze, you get this nice view of the city, that sunset, that beautiful lights on there. How can it be better, man?
Thank you, my friend, for bringing me to ITC Kohinoor in Hyderabad. A lovely place. We are sitting in the open air area outside, right on top of the building. What is this?
It's called the Sky Point. The bar's called the Sky Point, and it's attached to this beautiful Italian restaurant called Ottimo. And that's where we're going to eat and drink.
So drink to yaar, drink pe baat chali to. I just remembered my drink is finished. It just looks like it's a little bit left.
No.
But you said this is a tasting and a 7-course meal.
Yes. So what it's going to be, it's going to be a 7-course meal where each course is going to be paired with a different type of wine. So you enjoy one type of wine with one type of food.
So this is our champagne. This was our welcome drink. This we finished. So let's go get the next one.
Correct.
And now we're entering the bar. This is Sky Point, is it?
Yeah, that's the Sky Point. Oh, you know what? I really like that here. Look at that.
Fantastic.
Beautiful, huh?
Oh, is that our second drink?
Yes.
Hi, good evening. Namaskar. Thank you. Thank you. So this is
A Pinot Noir.
lovely.
And the pairing of this is going to be further inside.
This is a beautiful
Love,
place.
yeah.
I could get used to hanging around over here. Yeah. I think after a long day.
Yes, it is.
Hi, Chef. How are you?
Good, how are you? Welcome to a very special evening.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Chef Shivneet Pahoja, who is the executive chef over here at the ITC at Kohinoor. Chef, I have to say, your guys are doing a wonderful job.
Thank you.
We've eaten at every restaurant that you have and it's all fabulous.
So nice to hear that. I'm so happy. Thank you.
Chef, I've told Rocky that this has been curated just for him and me.
Well-
Only for us. Like special, nobody else in the world will ever get it.
Well, you're partly right because this is a limited kind of edition menu that we're doing.
Right.
It's only available for tonight.
Okay.
Then the next time something like this will be available will be after 14 days. So
Okay.
these are specials that we do on and off at our hotel.
you. Wow.
You know, and this is a curated menu not available on our regular a la carte menu. So I don't know if I can explain to you, or would you like to kind of?
Yeah, no, please.
Tell us.
So
What
the
is this?
theme, the theme of this menu is monochrome. I don't know if you already noticed. Each dish is just one color. You know, we wanted to do this because we wanted really to challenge ourselves, because we are taught from the very beginning that each plate must have a lot of color. So what we did was, in one plate we are keeping only one color.
Super.
So you know, the first course that we see there in that on the rock.
Ooh, I know this one, Chef. Life is so easy when you have notes. So the first course, this one, the Amuse Bouche, is a Java plum candy with Philadelphia walnut cream, raspberry dust, and we've paired it with this beautiful Pinot Noir from Jacob's Creek.
Right over there is the soup. That's a smoked turmeric and pumpkin soup. And after that, the next course that you get after the yellow soup is going to be Chroma Noir, I call it. So
Okay.
that's black.
The black one, the monochrome, this is beautiful, all black. This is the charcoal tortellini with options of beechwood smoked chicken for me and artichoke and hazelnut for Mayur.
And thereafter, we have the entree, which is right here, which is colors of plants. So we've got a fish option there.
Right.
This is the fish. And then we have a braised bolitas. And then we go to the main course. That's the vegetarian option, a risotto with orange peppers.
Lovely.
And then we've got a lovely ballotine of chicken right there.
Right.
With the 4 asparagus. The asparagus orange, you'd wonder how that became like that.
Yes, how did green become orange?
So we just made some, orange polenta and we molded into a asparagus mold. It looks like asparagus with this polenta.
Fantastic.
And in the middle of all of this, you've got this beautiful blue color.
Oh, I know this is, chef. This is the blue pea flour sorbet. And I know this because last time I had many of these.
And the dessert, of course, the Pièce d'Or Resistance. That's the best for the last. Colors of vermilion.
Wow.
So the interesting part over here is this ice cream, which is made out of beetroot and milk chocolate.
And since you're going to pair all this with this, what wine are you going to pair with that
So
specifically?
right after your fish course comes in the heavier main courses.
Right.
So that's where we bring in the Pinot Noir.
Nice.
So that's a red and a little heavy bodied, not so heavy, but slightly there.
Okay.
So that's what this menu is all about.
Super,
right?
chef.
So
Thank
dig
you
in,
so much.
enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chef.
Really appreciate it. Cheers. Cheers to your health, my friend. I love pairings. Now, how pairing works is each one dish is a course, and along with you have one thing to eat, and a wine is paired with it. So whatever the wine tastes best with is paired here. Listen, yaar, order छोड़ जो खाना है खा. जो तेरे सामने पड़ा उसके बारे में बता मेरे को.
This is why I love this boy. It's all very nice and we love the fact that there is pairing but eat it in a particular order. Why? Eat whatever moves you.
Taste
What moves
banana,
me right
taste
now is
kaisa
this
hoga?
beautiful thing.
This is
Orange.
tangy, it's beautiful, it's plummy, it's almost like a dessert. It's got a spicy hint, and that's why it's paired with a nice, robust red wine. Very good. Two without.
Again, exactly that. Tart, chipotle, it's got a bit of spice in it, just that slight burn. But basically, it's a very sour taste. In a very delicious way.
Dekho ji, this is beautiful. Wait, what is this called in English here? Braised boletus.
Boletos.
Boletos.
Yeah.
बोलेतो क्या बात है बहुत बोलेतो का तो बात ही कुछ और है. So beautiful paired with white wine, which is usually what happens with the fish. Very, very delicate flavor. Beautiful fish under this. Take a look at that, at how lovely that is, along with a nice edamame and oil sauce. Very, very subtle. That's why I need a nice light wine to pair well with it. Oh, that's a good one. All black.
All black, charcoal, and you take that charcoal black, it would be this. This is a beautiful black aglio olio. Nice and oily, beautifully matched with a dark, rich, robust Pinot Noir.
You can do all the rest because I'm going to talk about this. I have to say this. There is fabulous food everywhere in India. But when you come down to these beautiful luxury hotels where you get some incredibly good food, it is a little expensive for most people's pockets. But it is also absolutely a work of art and beautifully made and completely delicious. And by the way, people are getting confused. Have you told everyone why we are speaking in English in this series and not in Hindi? Right from day one. Have you told them? Please tell them.
I don't know why we're speaking in English.
You don't know?
No, I don't know. You tell me.
Nobody told you?
No, nobody told me. I didn't get the memo. You started speaking in English. I started speaking in English. अगर आप हिंदी में बात करेंगे तो मैं आप हिंदी में बात करूँगा.
मैं पंजाबी च गल करां तां.
ओ काके जो तेनू गल करनी है तो कर आपां तेरे साथ है. It is India, English, Hindi, Punjabi, Udiya, Bihari. It's all India.
So हमारे जो भाई बहन वंडर कर रहे हैं कि हम इंग्लिश में क्यों बोल रहे हैं और हिंदी में बात क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो इसलिए है क्योंकि तेलंगाना में, आंध्र प्रदेश में, तमिलनाडु में, there's a lot of people who don't understand Hindi, who don't speak it that well. So we're speaking in English so that everybody can be included. And next road tripping, we might switch to Hindi, or we might switch to Hindi in 3 or 4 days. So write in, tell us if we should continue to speak in English, or would you prefer that we speak in Hindi? And when you tell us, it'll encourage us to make up our mind one way or the other.
But remember, this meal or the story of our first day on hashtag Road Tripping with RNM in History TV 18, which is in season 6, is this. We started really early. We worked really hard. We went to multiple places, drove around, got stuck in traffic jams, ate a lot of food. But at the end of this, we've come to the ITC Kohinoor for this beautiful meal with really nice pairings of wine. So here's your lesson for you. When you start your career or your day or whatever, work really hard, because if you work hard and you plug away at it, at the end of the day, you can also taste deliciousness in the form of success or relaxation or just a fabulous meal.
Very clever, sir. Cheers.
I'll drink that.
Cheers. Cheers.